So here's a walkthrough video. Been at it for a day. Filled a whole skip up with rubbish to clear up all down the sides. There was just rubbish bin bags everywhere, 20-30 bags. Come in here, like probably the only room that doesn't look half bad. Then we've got the toilet, which is literally, there's no sink. Everything's just been completely ripped off the wall. And you'll see before pictures of that. All these doors, door frames, they've just been ripped off. No doors. Managed to get rid of everything in here. That up here. And then we've obviously got the cannabis farm in the loft. Then there's the balcony, which did have a nice view, and just like this had all tiles on. They've all been ripped off and taken. So God knows how that's happened. Downstairs, everything's just ripped and wrecked. Like, so then you've got this, like God knows. I got told that the ducts for the cannabis farm were all coming through there. And then there's a room there, it's not too bad. This room, just had to get rid of literally everything. It stinks of piss in there. All these windows broken, like toilet broken, everything, right mess. Then we've got this room here, like completely water damaged, broken, everything down there. Not to mention the garden, which is completely overgrown, complete mess, absolute tip, you know. And then we've got no kitchen, so the kitchen's gone, and all the floors taken up, kitchen, all done like this, absolute mess. Cost thousands.